You know what? Whenever people ask me, how can you motivate? I simply tell them, I am motivated to motivate. You need to get motivated. And once we talk about motivation, you have to read different books. Like I read a lot, alhamdulillah. And when it comes to, watching those people who are motivated, energetic, they energize you. And when you go outside, you get connected with nature. Nature motivates you. People with positive approach motivates you. I just try to hang around, with those people who are motivated, who are encouraged, who have passions, who are passionate about doing something. And once I spend time with them, I normally get motivated. And if I'm motivated, I try my level best to motivate people. And that's what I always say. I am motivated to motivate you. And if you simply want to get motivated, just try to be with those people who have positive approach. Like you go with something bad, they listen to you calmly, and then you convert your negativity into positivity and then help you see life differently. This is what you can do. And when it comes to motivation, it's not like that only a life coach or a relationship coach or some guru can help you get motivated. There are many people around you for you, like from your members of the family, your relatives, your friends, your teachers, your mentors. They're all around to motivate you, to encourage you, to put you on a kind of track where you need to be. But for this, you need to listen to them. You need to see them. You need to watch them. You need to observe them. You need to notice them. How are they dealing with the problems that they have in their lives? This would motivate you. And what you can do from this moment onward, start thinking about this thing, that you are going to motivate people, because this would definitely motivate you. And that's what I do. Thank you for listening.